What if a planet didn't just spin, but spun the wrong way? Venus does exactly that, and no one is completely sure why. Venus is often called Earth's twin. It's nearly the same size, similar in mass, and not that far away. But that's where the similarities end. Venus is a world of crushing pressure, toxic clouds, and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. And then there's something even stranger. Venus doesn't rotate like the other planets. It spins backwards. Most planets in our solar system spin in the same direction. This is called prograde rotation. Venus does the opposite. This is known as retrograde rotation. On Venus, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. But it gets even stranger. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. One full rotation takes about 243 Earth days. That means a single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. One idea is that Venus didn't always spin this way. Early in its history, it may have been struck by a massive object, a collision powerful enough to flip its rotation completely. In the early solar system, these kinds of impacts were common. But there's a problem. A single impact doesn't fully explain why Venus spins so slowly today. Another theory points to Venus's atmosphere. It's incredibly dense, about 90 times thicker than Earth's. This thick atmosphere creates powerful winds and something called thermal tides. Over millions of years, these forces may have gradually slowed the planet and even reversed its rotation. Instead of flipping suddenly, Venus may have slowly drifted into spinning backwards. Here's where things get even stranger. While the planet itself rotates slowly, its atmosphere moves incredibly fast. The clouds of Venus circle the planet in just a few days. That means the sky above Venus is racing, while the surface below barely turns. It's like two different worlds, moving at completely different speeds. Understanding Venus isn't just about one planet. It helps scientists answer much bigger questions. How do planets form? What makes them stable or unstable? And how many strange worlds like this exist beyond our solar system? If a planet so similar to Earth can end up this different, then the universe may be far stranger than we imagine. Venus spins backwards, not because it's broken, but because the universe doesn't follow simple rules. Whether it was a violent collision or millions of years of invisible forces, Venus reminds us of something important. Even the closest worlds to us can still be full of mystery. This is Mallory, and this is just the beginning of what we're discovering out there. Subscribe and join me as we explore more real space mysteries.